Can you say hi? Say hi.
You just passed it. Where are you going? Are we going
No.
home first?
Oh man. We're
Oh,
going to the lake.
We just passed it.
No, we're parking behind.
Oh.
Behind me.
Oh.